Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a smartphone with me that really impressed me just because of its camera. So this is the Vivo V19. So without wasting much time, let's find out. Talking of the design, it has got these curves at the edges with very narrow bezels. So now you can enjoy a full screen real estate which is packed beneath a 6th gen Corning Gorilla Glass. It also has an integrated fingerprint sensor and a face unlock. On the bottom, you get a speaker, USB-C type port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left is the SIM card tray and a memory card slot, whereas on the right are the volume controls and a power button. On the back, it has got this camera bump and a Vivo branding on the Mystic Silver color, which gives it a premium look and feel. It has got a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2400 and a max brightness of 1200 nits that also supports HDR10. So now you have a higher dynamic range, better colors and rich details. On the front, you get these integrated dual camera setup, out of which one is a 32 megapixel main camera and a 8 megapixel super wide angle camera. The 32 megapixel camera comes with a super night selfie mode and aura screen light mode. So now you can have those professional studio lighting shots. The 8 megapixel super wide angle camera offers you a 105-degree perspective and a distortion free selfie. It has also got this unique pose master feature where the camera guides you for that perfect pose before you click. Also, it has got this art portrait video where it identifies you and separates you from the background by giving you true depth of field. On the rear, you get this quad camera setup that provides 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel bokeh camera. And both these cameras, that is the front and the rear, have the super stability feature. The Vivo V19 comes with a 2.4 GHz Snapdragon 712 processor and 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, where you can max out to 256 GB and a micro SD card slot that can be maxed out to 512 GB. And all of these are loaded onto Android 10 FunTouch OS that runs on 4500 mAh battery. Priced at 25,000, this device comes in two different colors. The one which I have, this one's the Mystic Silver, and the other one is the Piano Black. Now the amount of features this smartphone has to offer, this one's the best buy for the people who consider smartphone camera as the number one priority. I mean, yeah, I tried filming on this and it actually does the really nice job. So once you're out with the footage, it's actually hard to tell whether this content is shot from a mid-range smartphone camera or a premium smartphone camera. Rest, all the features end up being a personal choice. But for the content creators out there who don't want to carry heavy equipments with them while they are on the shoot, this smartphone actually is the best buy for them. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do hit the like and the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.